Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to combine two arrays into one, ensuring each element appears only once, using a custom comparison function. This approach can help you solve advanced problems, such as comparing elements by rounded values or custom rules. The problem involves merging two arrays while removing duplicates based on a custom rule defined by a comparator. For instance, if the comparator checks for rounded values, 1.2 and 1.9 would be considered equal. Here's the JavaScript code. We start by using a set method to store unique elements. We then add all elements from array A. For array B, we use the filter method to include elements that do not match any in the first array, based on the comparator. Finally, we convert the set back to an array and return the result. Here's how the function works. We first accept the input arrays and the comparator function. We then use the comparator to identify unique elements in array B. We merge the unique elements into a set to ensure no duplicates, and then we convert the set to an array and return the final result. Here are some examples. In the first example, elements like 1.9 are considered unique because their rounded values do not match. In the second example, the output includes all elements from both arrays, with duplicates removed. Here are some real-world applications. This program is versatile and can be used in merging datasets while applying custom rules, removing duplicates in arrays efficiently, and handling dynamic comparisons for real-world applications. To summarize, we created a JavaScript program that combines two arrays into one, while removing duplicates based on custom comparison rules. This approach is powerful for handling dynamic datasets and performing efficient filtering. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.